How to fix no valid QR code detected in WhatsApp. So the first step is to ensure that you are using the latest version of WhatsApp. To see if you're using the latest version, all you need to do is go to Play Store, search WhatsApp, then select WhatsApp, and then check if an update button is available. Otherwise, you don't need to update your application since you're already using the latest version. Moving on is to check your internet connection. So this is the most common reason as to why you get the invalid QR code error message. So ensure that you are connected to a good internet connection before scanning the QR code again. If you're using mobile data, check if it is in 4G or 5G. Step number 3 is to clear your browser cache. To do this, just go to Settings, scroll down until you find Apps. Then you may use the search icon found on the top right corner and search for WhatsApp. And then scroll down and select Storage. Then tap on the Clear Cache icon found on the lower right corner of your screen. Now check if this has solved your issue. If not, then continue to step 4, which is to restart your phone. So restart your phone before attempting to scan the code again. So the following step is to clean your phone camera lens. So if your lens are dirty, then it will prevent the built-in QR code scanner from working. So the last method that you can resort to is to contact WhatsApp support. So to do this, just launch the WhatsApp application, then tap on the 3 dots found on the upper right corner of your screen. Then go to Settings and then select Help. Now tap Contact Us. So in this text box, write down the detail of your issue. And then tap Next, which is found on the lower right corner of your screen. And just select Send My Question to WhatsApp support. They will respond by sending you a message. Now supply the answers to these questions and wait for further assistance. So that is how you fix no valid QR code detected in WhatsApp. Thank you and have a great day.